Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video a case for the Samsung Galaxy A12. It is the Poetic Revolution series. Okay, first of all, this is how it looks like. So, massive one, but with a very well drop protection, military standard. And yeah, as you can see, we have cutouts here for the microphone. We have a cutout for the speaker. We have a cutout here for the fingerprint sensor, and it works pretty well, by the way, as you can see. It is immediately there. And yeah, we have some flaps here for the audio jack and for the USB charger, a bit dust protection, but it's not really waterproof or something like this, because we have here 3 holes for the speakers as well next to the camera. And that is a cool fact, by the way, because we have a screen, a built-in screen protector as well already. And let us remove it first, that you can see how it works. So as you can see, it is very well protected here. So this is the massive bumper here, which one gives a very great protection. And you have two choices. You can have one with a protection film on it, and Poetic is sending to you also one without screen protection in case you have already glass on it or don't want to have a glass on it. Okay, very well. And what is pretty cool here at the Revolution series of Poetic, that you have included Kickstand. And that's pretty cool, because you just remove it like this. And now you can put your phone hand-free in portrait mode, but also as well in landscape mode, maybe if you want to watch some movies or clips on YouTube. Okay, and yeah, you can have this case here in black, of course. You can have it out, but as well also in blue or pink if you want. Yeah, it is very massive, I have to tell you. And of course, it makes the phone much heavier, and that's the only thing I don't like so much, but the protection, as you have seen before, is very well. So if you want to have a well-protected phone, then I can recommend this case.
Okay, let's come to the drop test. So only the kickstand went out, but the rest seems to be okay. Let's make a function test. Everything seems to be okay.
Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question and give you some more impressions about the Poetic Revolution series here. By the way, you can have these cases not only for the Samsung Galaxy A12, of course you can have it for many other Samsung phones as well, also iPhones, Google Pixel, and so on and so on. And yeah, if I could help you with this video, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.